Hey guys, it's Sparky here again, and as you can see, we're back with part 2 of our firework stash for this year. So, like I did in part 1, I'm just going to go through the products one by one. And yeah, everything you see here on this one is from Galactic Sale Day, Sale Weekend. And I'll link part 1, if you haven't saw that one, in the description below. And everything in part 1 was from the fireworks shop in Preston. So yeah, starting with the rockets. Firstly, we got these, like we get most years, Warhawks, but this year what's different about them is that they are new and improved with more powder, because there used to be 300 grams in these, now there's 360, and now there's 72 grams in each rocket. So we had to get these again this year because the more improved ones. So we're gonna see what them are like and how much bigger they actually are. So we got those. Next we come to these, another part of the Hawk range, this time by Mention, which are the Air Hawks. And these have what Warhawks used to have before they got improved, which is 300 grams. So them should be pretty decent as well. I don't know if I've had Mention before, I can't remember, but yeah, those are from there. Next we have these top quality Fireworks rockets, which are the Stratosphere. Like I said, Fireworks are one of the top quality brands of fireworks out there, so 6 rockets of that pack, the Stratosphere, and there's 600 grams in this entire pack, which is 100 grams per rocket, so them should be really huge, so I'm really looking forward to them ones. So yeah, them the Stratosphere from Fireworks. Next we get even bigger. We did have this one last year, which is the Shrieker, as you can see there, by Brothers. We're only getting this one again this year because last year we set it off and it went over the house, so we missed it basically, so we're gonna try it again this year. And even bigger still is this one, which is the SpaceX, also from Brothers, and that's absolutely huge. So yeah, that's 175 grams in that one. So it's got an absolutely enormous break on that one, and the stick on it is huge. As you can see, like it's all that at the back. How much grams was in this Shrieker? 162 grams in the Shrieker. There we go. So yeah, that's all the rockets from Galactic Sale Weekend. Those 2 big ones, the Stratosphere and the Hawks, Air Hawk and War Hawk. So yeah, next we come to these, also huge Roman candles, almost a metre long, which is the Thunderstrike. As you can see, they're really long Roman candles, and there's 331.2 grams in them, and look like 30mm tubes as well, so they should have huge breaks in them as well, so really looking forward to them. Well, I'm looking forward to everything here, but yeah, we've got like quality in this part 2 stash, so looking forward to everything in here. Next we come to just these little things, just a bit of fun. First is these crackling sparklers. You need some sparklers on every bonfire night, so magical ones from Evolution. A lot of companies do sort of their own wizard ones or magical ones now as well. So these quite a big range in them. Next we come to these little fun things as well. These light up flashing buttons. You can't really see it there, but it's better at night time. 3 different effects in there, as you can see. So yeah, got 4 of them. Like I said, just some fun, some extra. And also these, got 2 red and 2 green smoke grenades. We're using 1 of each for Halloween, and then also the other 2 for bonfire night. So yeah, I'll get these most years as well, so then there's some little fun to do in the daytime before the night itself, so yeah. Also for Halloween, we've got these, which is the Ghost and Goblin fountains from TNT. 160 grams in the pack. So yeah, that's just a little fountains for Halloween as well. So yeah, like I said in part 1, we've got a few things for Halloween and then the rest for bonfire night. So now everything else in this video now, including the rockets and the Roman candles, will be for bonfire night itself. So yeah, starting with this, which is the Babadoo. I did have this back in 2020, I think it was. 128 shots and 339.6 grams. So yeah, I did have it in 2020. I was quite impressed with it, so I just got it again this year. Next we come to these fountains as well, and we've got quality fountains to add to our display this year as well. Starting with this, which is the Spectrum fountain, which is basically a jumping jelly bean fountain, which I've always wanted, and then this year I finally got one. Even though it's called Spectrum, but it's just the same by standard. 118 grams. Next we got this Brothers Chunky Monkey. I think this is new for this year, I think for 2025. I'm pretty sure it is. Does it tell you in there? I think it's new. But yeah, there's 130 grams in that one. Next fountain we've got is the Gold Lava fountain. I've had this one before as well, a few times. And we was impressed with it, so we just had to get that one again as well. And there's 180 grams in that one. So yeah, we got some big fountains this year as well, some quality ones, so to add some extra to the display. So right now everything else is cakes and barrages, starting with this one, which is the Lichen, I think it's how it's pronounced. 15 shots by cube, and there's 92 grams, I think. Yep, 92. So we just got that small thing. You haven't got that one because there's different effects in that one, so it's not too big, but there's different effects, so it's some like a filler for the night. So yeah, so we got that triangle cake. Next we come to this Evolution Twilight. 156 grams in there, 25 shot. I love these red packaging so you can see the tubes. Same with that one. Yeah, size Twilight, which is pretty decent as well. Like I said, everything's decent, so. Almost forgot these, which is the Lone Wolf, also by Fireworks. Single shots. 42.6 grams in a pack and 7.1 grams in each tube. So I've got 2 packs of them. And like I said, Fireworks top quality, so them should be pretty decent as well. Next we come to this other Evolution cake, which is Vortex. 36 shots and 266.4 grams. And this is quite a unique cake as well, because it's got like 3 different tones of whistles and like swirls coming out, so we're looking forward to that one as well. Next is this one, the Joker Polka, and I've saw a few people have this in their stash this year already. By Primed, 165 grams. The packaging is nice on them as well. Also that I've saw a few people have is this one. Also the Poker Face by Primed as well. 295.2 grams in that one. 24 shots. So yeah, there's quite a bit of weight in that one as well, so yep. How many shots in? 25 shots in the Joker Poker. So yeah, also by Prime, which is really good, because I saw the video to this one, is the Over the Top. And as you can tell, more powder in that one, 320 grams. 16 shots. That's really good. So yeah, got a few primed this year. Like I said in part 1, we've started getting these top quality brands this year, so got to be bigger and better from now on. Next we come to this bigger one. As you can see, the bigger tubes, which is Evolution's Deep Impact. 350 grams in that one. So that should be really good as well. I'm pretty sure I had this last year in the Evolution Barrage pack, or it might have been a different one, I'm not sure. But I'm sure it was this one though. And I've had to get it again, so that's definitely going to be good. Next we come to this TikTok Bang, and I'm pretty sure there's a fountain first in the middle there, and then all these 11 shots go off together, creating a huge bang and huge effects in the sky after. By Fireworks again, like I've been saying about them, top quality. So there's 11 shots. Their combination of shot tubes and fountain, so 265 grams. Yeah, so that really look forward to that as well. And lastly is this one by Brothers, which is the Lion King. Love the packaging on that with the lion and the shiny packaging. You can just about see the tubes there. $187.25 grams. 36 shots in that one. So I saw the video to this as well, and the brakes in this one look huge as well, so yeah, that should be good. But like I says, everything here should be really good. like we get in the top brands. Like with part 1, got classic, funk, and then we got Fireworks and primed and all that, so some of the top quality brands. So yeah, that's the complete part 2. And like I says, I'll link part 1 in the description below if you haven't saw that one yet, so go and check that one out if you haven't. And I hope you've enjoyed this one. We might be getting a few more things from like the usual places like Latif's and the range, but we're not 100% sure yet. But if we do, then obviously there's going to be a part 3. But make sure to subscribe to check if we do or not. But yeah, like I says, hope you've enjoyed this one, and take care, and I'll see you again soon.